Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a little project share for you today, and this is a online class that I had joined with Carmen Q Crafts on Instagram and YouTube. And she has a online shop. It's Carmen Q Crafts store on Instagram. Let me show you her card. This is what her card looks like. And she holds virtual classes. So the thing with it is if you catch her, you can get into one of her virtual classes. And what it is she'll mail you the kit for your class, and then she'll have a link provided to you once she gets if she says you get your order. She will share a link with you so that you join the class with your kit. And I love it because she is so timely. Literally, I got my kit and it was my fault because I kind of pushed my way into her class. It was already full, but she went ahead and made a kit for me so that I could join the class. So I'm going to share with you what I did with her kit, and look at her gorgeous magical kit, you guys. Oh, I can't really tilt it because, you know, all the things will fall, but she provides everything that you need except for the what is this thing called? Spackle. So you have to go buy the spackle and buy your cake decorating tips, because that's what we're going to use, your acrylics. So she'll send you your enamels, your enamels, your resin pieces, your clay pieces, your faux food. For this kit I'm talking about, because this is the kit that I bought and did the class for. But the paints, the puffy paints, she will tell you in exact detail exactly what you need and the best product that gives you the best results. So I will share with you all what I created with her beautiful kits, and hopefully I don't destroy what I made. Okay, so in the kit, she provided these 2 waffle cookies. You actually get 4 because you need 2 pieces to make the cookie. She also provided these little heart sprinkles. It's the little clay, and you know, and all that good stuff. Anyway, so you create this by using your spackle, and she teaches you how to create the spackle. I'm not going to tell you how to make it because that would be so rude. You have to take her class in order to learn how to make the spackle. Okay. So we created 2 cookies with those, and you can make your filling any color you want. You could use glitter to make it all glisten and pop like you want it to pop. So that was in the kit. Then she had these faux chocolate covered strawberries. Okay. Now the creamy part here that you see, that is spackle. So I just put a dollop down on my paper plate, and I stuck my strawberry on top of it and squished it down and left it alone to dry. You can also use puffy paint or this formula that she shares in the class so that you know how to make it. I'm not going to share that. I used what is this called? Nouveau drops. Oh my gosh. Nouveau drops that I got from Urban Gems, who's Nurse Tara. So I used my Nouveau drops to make my little strawberry sauce that you see on top. And then I added glitter while it was still wet. And you get 4 of those covered strawberries. She also gave us some clay heart-shaped cookies, and you're supposed to paint them whatever colors you wanted. So I painted all my cookies different colors. And then this is the cream frosting that you see on the top here, the purple and the pink. Those are both the spackle, and I just colored one part purple, 1 part pink. The gummy bear that you see on top, this gummy bear right here, that is from Carmen. She made those. Those are resin with glitter in them. It already comes glittered, so it's so pretty. I just stuck that on there while the spackle was still wet. This is a bead from my my stash. It's a candy shaped bead, and I stuck that. I added this pink dollop on top of the cookie, and then I added the bead, and then I sprinkled up the glitter. So I did that with all four. It's just different color resin teddy bears. So that was that one. That was that one. And this gorgeous cake right here is a kitchen sponge that she provides for you as a base. Your colorings here that you see, it's all spackle, and that's where the cake decorating tips come in. So you use it to decorate your sponge to create your faux cake. Now, because this is my very first class, you can see there's some spots, you know, here and there. You can see the sponge, but I'm okay with that. These little resin pieces right here, I purchased in a D-stash. This is from Miss Ivory Creations. So these little colored ones are from her, and so are these little flowers up here. The teddy bear and the cakes are from Carmen. These little pink flowers in here and the hearts, all these little doodads are all from Ivory's Creations. This heart resin is from Carmen Q Crafts. That came in the kit with the sponge. These came separate. I purchased this from Carmen in a past sale. So gorgeous little cake. Great idea. I am loving it. It's so adorable, and I'm so impressed on the spackling, how sturdy everything is. But the key to all of this is when you're working with it, if you want to add those things, Carmen tells you all the time, you could put whatever you want on the spackling. It's just as long as they're wet, as long as it's still wet. Okay. All right, so now this is another piece from the kit. She provided a little jar and the little sparkly bits right here, and you just you take it and you apply it to your jar. Here's another one of her resin pieces, and I added spackle. I had to scratch the plastic. She tells us what to do. You scratch the back of your enamel, your pieces, your surface, so that you can add the spackling and it will stay on there. So I scratched it up pretty good underneath here. I put the spackle, and then I added her beautiful heart resin. So gorgeous. And then the thing here, you have to do this as a separate piece, the lid. And so I had, this is supposed to replicate like a milkshake. Mine didn't come out like that. It just didn't. It just became its own thing. So yeah. So the resin pieces that we see inside the jar that came with her kit, I didn't get to use them, so I just put them in my jar so I know where they're at. And this jar is very usable. You could still take it off. I'm just going to leave it right now. I'm not going to open it. I don't want to keep messing with my spackle, even though it's dry. Dry to the touch, but she tells you leave it for a long time so you know for sure that it's completely dry. And then I added a Dollar Tree foam heart here, and these colorful cabochons are from Ivory Creations. The little sprinkles, polka dots are from my stash. The little gummy bears are from Carmen Q Crafts. And that's what I did with my little jar. So I thought it was so adorable. Oh my God, I can't wait. Can't wait to just be able to handle it without being so careful. Okay, and then she created marshmallows for us. She made 2 little marshmallows on a straw, and they come ready like this, plain. You add the drizzle. Now my drizzle was Nouveau drops, and then I sprinkled glitter on top. And then I added the little resin piece right here on top of his head. I don't know. And then I was so encouraged to put a face on this little marshmallow, because one of the ladies who I had just met in the class, Jocelyn, she added a face to hers, and I was like, oh my God, we all fell in love with hers. So we're like, we're going to put a face. So there's my face. So she provided the little marshmallow, clay marshmallow, this on the straw, ready to go. She provided these little ribbon bows. So you just attach everything. She also provided cake pops, and it's just a styrofoam ball on one of the dowel sticks. And then she also provided the bow, so I just attached that on there. More spackle, more glitter, more confetti, the clay confetti. And that's my cake pop. And I didn't do too much extra to the cake pops, so. And then there's the second marshmallow. I added the hat on top, and there's her little face right there. How cute. With the nouveau, and then the ribbon bow, and then the heart straws. I'm sticking them onto a piece of styrofoam that I cut in half. It's the ball styrofoam I cut in half. The other half is under my milkshake. It's right under here. So the second one, I just put it under this one so that I have some place to stick my pops, my little cake pops and marshmallow heads. So, oh my gosh, you guys, please, please, please go check out Carmen Q Crafts. This is her information. She's on Instagram. Check her out. Check out that hashtag CQ Crafts, and you'll get more information there on the site. Oh my gosh, you guys, this class was so much fun. I hate to tell you this, but I even showed up late, and she was still so accommodating and patient and helped me through the class. Oh my goodness. Too much fun. So exciting to learn a new art craft. And it's so adorable. Oh my God. I'm so ready to put this out on my my kitchen counter so that my husband can see what I made. Oh, and she also included this tray too. So this tray came with the kit. So guys, if you haven't given this a try yet and you're interested, check her out. She'll send you your materials, and then she'll also give you a list of things that you will need to work with the kit. And it's so much fun because you're there with the other ladies and you're enjoying the company of everyone. So I was so talkative, but thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye. Check out the links down below.